everyone, welcome to my channel, Dianna's Homestead. You guys are here with me, Dianna. Today I am out here at my chicken coop. I've been having a problem. I have had 2 chickens killed in 3 days, you guys. So today I am about to clean out this chicken coop. I'm going to check the perimeters, and I am going to seal off any parts of my coop that I see where I believe it's a weasel, you guys, because of the way the carcasses were left. So if you guys want to come along with me as I get this coop straightened out, let's get into it. Okay, so here's the inside of my coop. As you guys can see, you see all those feathers down there? I have already removed the chicken. I've had 2 chickens killed in 3 days, you guys. And look at all the feathers. But we're about to clean this coop out. We are about to clean the perimeter, rake everything up, and we're going to see if we need to patch up some holes. So let me go head on and start cleaning this mess out. Alright, you guys, so the clean out begins. This is the same coop that last summer I had one of my hens killed from a big old black snake. Just trying to get this stuff out the way. And I'm just hoping that there's nothing up under this straw or hay. And I do see I have an egg back here. Let me get that. And also, I've noticed that I have been missing a lot of eggs as well, you guys. Before the weasel started attacking my chickens, I had 11 hens. I'm down to 9. Yeah, I'm down to 9. And I was getting about 4 eggs a day. And then I just started, some days I wouldn't get no eggs, some days I'd get 1 egg, and I'm sitting here like, all of my hens should be laying right now. So I believe they've been coming in here eating my eggs and having some chicken while they were at it. So, and I am not going to be throwing this away, you guys. This stuff right here. All this stuff right here, you guys, is going into my compost. This is good organic material here. This is chicken waste. This right here will get your garden growing good. So this will be going into my compost along with the feathers as well. And I even put the chickens in there. So that stuff's going to decompose, compost down, and we're going to have some rich soil. But let me go ahead and clean this stuff up. Make sure, because last summer I found out that the snakes, they were living in the coop, but they were living under the straw. So the whole time they were out here eating my eggs as well. I mean, everything is out for my chickens and my eggs. And this time of year, with this, chicken stuff going around, I need my eggs and I need my hens. So we got to get this right. But yeah, I'm always afraid now with this straw down here because they were living up under the straw and scared the mess out of me. I probably was walking in this coop right on top of them and didn't even know it, you guys. That's how scary it is. So when owning chickens, be aware you are going to have predators, snakes, weasels, cats, birds of prey. You're going to have, what else? Possums, raccoons. But I believe right now it's a weasel because it's not taking the whole carcass. It's leaving the carcass here, and it's just like little bites have been taken out. It's not where something like has some real big fangs and was just, going to town. So I believe it's a weasel, and we're going to get this straight. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these little steps that I put in here. I put it here for them to go up into this little plastic tub so they can nest. But for some reason, they don't want to get in here. They rather lay their eggs on the floor. I don't understand why, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. I don't know why they don't want it, but I'm gonna take it down. I you guys the video cut off, but like I was saying, I'd rather be out here doing this any day than to be having somebody tell me what I can and can't do. So, but I know we still gotta work. I know, but if we could all get back to our roots and get out here and work the land, because that's what we're really here for, to work the land. So, and I'm all for it. All right, so here's the inside. I took the little ladder down that was right here because I felt like it was in the way. And we got it all cleaned out. I have 2 houses. I built these myself. And I have chicken wire up here at the top. And that's how that snake got caught up in here last summer. He got caught right over in here after he did what he did. Alright, so here is my smaller coop that I finished cleaning. So now I'm going to go ahead and get ready and put some hay down in here. Hay, straw. I don't know why I keep getting them too confused. But this all I do is break it up, and sprinkle it down here on the floor. The chickens love it. Okay, so here it is. I have finished getting all the pine needles out here today. I've went around the perimeter here, and what openings I saw, I put some big rocks to fill in the holes. I have cleaned up all the pine needles, and I have tacked the netting up onto the roof here. I don't know if you guys can see the netting, but it's black. I've tacked the netting up to make that more secure. But this is all the woods back here in the back. We have deers, we have all kinds of stuff back here. And I also found a spot right over here at the coop door, a perfect little spot for a weasel or a snake to get through here. So I tacked this down the best I could. A snake is definitely not going to be able to get through that, but a weasel, he would have to chew his way through. And if he does, then I will know that he's still out here on the loose. But yeah, I got the netting tacked all up here on the roof. I don't think you guys can really see it too good in the video, but I think she looks good. Okay, you guys, so that's about it for today. I am worn out. I took about 6 or 7 loads of pine needles out of here, which this is something I typically do spring of the year anyways, is get all the fallen pine needles from out of here, because if you don't, it could be something up under them needles. So hey, I got to be able to see the ground. But I did the best I could do for today. I'm still going to be out here doing more things throughout the spring, and I'll keep you guys posted on if I have any more mishaps in my coop. And hopefully this right here will solve the problem, you guys. So thank you all so much for coming along with me today. And stay tuned for more videos to come. Until next time, I will be seeing y'all. Bye.